Hi, my name is Sydney Clymer-Engelhart. It is March 3rd, 2023, and I'm going to be talking about the different parts of surface anatomy. The 5 different structures that I'm going to be pointing out are on this note card right here. So first of all, the medial epicondyle is on the outside of the elbow. This pony projection off of the humerus. The next part is the cubital fossa, which is this crease right between the elbow. The 2 muscles I'm going to be pointing out are the biceps brachii and the brachioradialis. The biceps brachii is located in the arm between the shoulder and the elbow, right here. And the brachioradialis will be between the forearm and the wrist, right here on the outside of the arm. And the last thing I will be talking about is the medial cubital vein, which runs along the medial fossa, which comes down the arm. And yeah, so the different body systems that connect to each of the surface anatomy landmarks that I just pointed out include the biceps brachii and brachioradialis being part of the muscular system, the cubital fossa and medial epicondyle being part of the skeletal system, and the medial cubital vein part of the cardiovascular system, more specifically the blood and vessels. And the importance of surface anatomy, at first, its definition is the anatomical landmarks that are found on the outside of the body that can be easily pointed out. But its importance is for conducting and identifying, diagnosing conditions that are easily visible to the eye, and being able to notice what parts of the body are where. It gives fast diagnosis and more information on what could be causing conditions that are afflicting certain surface landmarks. The last point I wanted to talk about is a clinical application that applies to 2 of the landmarks that I pointed out. So I'll be talking about the cubital fossa and medial cubital vein, more specifically in terms of venipuncture, which is when blood is drawn from the arm to collect in order to run a blood analysis on it. So the one main vein in the arm that is used is the medial cubital vein, just because it is closer to the surface of the skin. It's easily accessible and it is not near any major nerves in the arm. And because it crosses the where the cubital fossa is, it's easily distinguishable to know where to inject the needle to draw the blood from, since the basilic vein and cubital vein run down the arm that creates the medial cubital vein. So yeah, that is my talk on surface anatomy, and thank you.